Welcome to my new video. Here are two screens that you can see on my hands. Now, I want to clarify something that have been going on. Some people are actually confused on how to fix Android screen perfectly. Now, if you look at these two screens, this one I'm holding here, the back of it is made up of metal. You can see that the back of it is metal. It conducts. That's what I mean by metal. It conducts. But this second one, the back of it is plastic. This other one also is also a rubber. You can see. So when you are fixing these two LCDs, the process are not the same. If you look at this one that has a rubber back, a rubber cover, this one here, this one, after testing it and you confirm that yes, the LCD is good, what you do, you just apply your gum either to the screen, to the edge of the screen round, or to the frame of the phone. Okay, you apply your gum because if you look at it very well, it is made up of rubber. That means it does not conduct current. So you just apply your gum and fix it directly. Okay, there is no need for any other adjustment out there. Okay, because some people will come up and be saying do this and don't do that. All right, so now I'm cleaning the edge of this one so that I can apply my gum and then fix it. If it is the other one that has a metal back, that is the screen, you will need to apply your masking tape around the frame so that the metal doesn't make contact with the frame of the phone. I'm going to be showing that to you very shortly. Okay, but now let me be done with this one. I'm going to show the other method to you in this video. All right, so please watch and make sure you watch till the end. Okay, so now let's apply our gum now. Remember I told you you can apply your gum either to the screen directly or to the frame. You can choose. That is your choice to choose. Okay, like some people will say apply to the frame, don't apply to the screen, or apply to the screen, don't apply to the frame. It's not so. Either of the two are okay. All right, so now apply your gum round, but make sure you don't cover some important parts on the screen like the sensor area and the camera area. You just have to be careful around those areas. Also with the charging light also, you have to be careful with those spots. So now I'm applying my gum now. I'm applying the gum round. Don't over apply the gum, okay? Don't over apply the gum. Just apply it little. Okay, you can see, don't over apply the gum. Don't over apply it. So now apply it gently on the edges, gently. So we're applying the gum. Right now, I'm almost done. I'm almost done. I'm going to be showing the other procedure to you. Now, one thing I want you to know is that all the screens in the market are not the same with the Folocom. I mean the one that came with the phone. All the screens in the market, they are not as good as the Folocom, the one that followed the phone. All right, all the screens in the market, most of them are Taiwan. All of them, I would say, they are Taiwan. So you can never compare the qualities you get from them like the one that followed the phone. All right, so we have finished applying the gum now. So now we are fixing it. Okay, so you can see we are done. So now I'll fix the screen to the frame of the phone. All right, so now after putting it like this, some people will say let's use a rubber band directly on the screen. I don't advise you to do so. You can see I don't advise you. What you do is you get the old one you removed, the old screen you removed, place it face to face to the new one like this. All right, don't put your rubber band direct to the screen. So put the old one on top of it like this. Okay, ensure it is where align together. Then you can use your rubber band so that the pressure of the rubber band doesn't go directly to the screen. That is what disturbs some of your work. So you put it this way, okay? So be also careful with the flex of the screen, okay? So now you also put the down, carry the second rubber band, and then hold the bottom of the phone. You can see. You can see. You can see. We are done with that. Can you see that? So now be careful with the flex. So now I'm applying a little gum to hold the flex down so that it is not affected or damaged in any way. All right. So now you can see. Let's align the flex to the frame correctly. So now I'm almost done. So now I'm going to be showing you the second part now. So I'm done with this. So let me put my battery. Let me put my battery. So I'm done, almost done with this. All right. So now this is the second part. So in this one, you can see the back of this one has a meter. Okay, it has meter. So what you're going to be doing, you're going to be using your masking tape after cleaning the frame like this. Okay, I'm done cleaning, so I'm going to be using my masking tape now to cover all the edges of the phone. Can you see? Follow me the way I'm doing. Can you see? I'm covering all the edges of the phone now. I'm covering all the edges. Why am I doing this? I don't want the back of the screen to make contact with the frame of the phone. Because why? This is a Taiwan screen. It's not as good or as quality as the Folocom. Okay, you can see. So you can see I'm covering the edges of the frame so that it doesn't make contact with the screen and make it to malfunction. Okay, you can do this, you can try it out and thank me later, because this is the secret I've been using all this while. All right, and I don't encounter screen problems at all by doing this. I don't encounter screen problems at all. Okay, because all the screens you get from the market are Taiwan. They are not the original one. They are not as original as the one that followed the phone. Okay, so please, in order to help yourself, follow this procedure. All right, it's going to help you a lot. It's going to help you a lot, my dear technicians. It's going to help you a lot, and it will also save you from unnecessary stress from customers. All right, so follow me as we go. So now I'm done. I'm done putting my masking tape. You can see I've covered it very well. It might look somehow, but it is the best that will help you. You can see this is a screen. This is my new screen. You can see all the edges have this in metal. Okay, the back is fully metal. Okay, so let me make hole for the downboard flex. Okay, so that the downboard flex can follow that way out. So now I want to test my screen before I apply my gum. Okay, I want to test my screen. All right, so follow these steps. It will help you a lot. If you always feel screen and it disturbs you, please use this method. It's going to help you a lot. Okay, I want to test the screen now and then mount it for the customer. Right, so now let's go. Let's power on the phone now. Let's power on the phone. One to go. You can see the phone has come on. So now let's wait for it to boot. Please, my dear technicians, use this step. It's going to help you a lot. So now let's test. You can see all the buttons are working very perfectly. Okay, so thanks for watching. See you again in my next video. Bye bye for now. I love you all.